हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर जो बुक है उसकी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। ये हमारी पूरी सीरीज है जिसमें हम हर वीडियो में अपनी एक्सरसाइज जो है उनको एक एक करके सॉल्व करेंगे। फिल द ब्लैंक स्पेसेस विद लेटर और लेटर। इस लेटर का मतलब होता है बाद में और इस लेटर का मतलब होता है जो पिछला है, उसे हम लेटर कहते हैं। द मेजॉरिटी एक्सेप्टेड द डैश प्रपोजल लेटर। द डैश पार्ट ऑफ द बुक शोज साइंस ऑफ हरी लेटर। एट अ डैश डेट he was placed in charge of the whole taluka. Later, I prefer the dash proposition to the former. Later, is there no dash news than last week's? Later. Next है fill the blank spaces with older or elder. I have an dash sister, elder. Rama is dash than Hari by 2 years, older. His dash brother is in the Indian Civil Service, elder. She is the dash of the 2 sisters, elder. The nephew is dash than his uncle, older. Fill the blank spaces with oldest or eldest. Rustam is the dash of my uncle's 5 sons, eldest. He is the dash member of the school committee, oldest. That is Antonio, the duke's dash son, eldest. The dash mosque in the town is the near railway station, oldest. Mr. Smith is the dash teacher in the school, oldest. Fill the blank spaces with farther or further. I can't walk any. Both can come here. Farther or further. No dash reasons were given. Further. He walked off without dash ceremony. Further. Until dash orders, Mr. K.S. Dave will act as headmaster of Neera High School. Further. To let a bungalow at Ridge Road. For dash particulars, apply to box number 65. Further, fill in the blank spaces with latest or last. The dash news from China is very disrupting. Latest. The dash time I saw him, he was in high spirits. Last time. Today is the dash day for receiving tenders. Last. We expect to get the dash news in a few hours. Latest. The dash Mughal emperor came to an ignominious end. Last. Fill the blank spaces with nearest or next. This is the dash post office to my house. Nearest. The pillar box is dash to my house. Next. The burglar was taken to the dash police station. Nearest. His house is dash to mine. Next. The dash railway station is 2 miles from here. Nearest.